What's going on, everybody? We back again with another one, SS Family. Today, I got the 72 Cutlass out, 72 Cutlass Supreme. It's a project I got a few months ago from one of the guys. I was trying to decide whether to keep it or to go ahead and sell it. Now, my original plan was to keep this, keep the Monte Carlo, LS swap the Monte Carlo, LS swap this, throw some 24s on the Monte Carlo, 24s on this, do the whole suspension, I was going to do both things to both cars, but I still ain't done with the Monte Carlo. And to be honest, I don't think I want to take on two projects at a time. I always wanted an A body. I'm more of a Chevelle type of guy, like a 69, 70, 71, 72 Chevelle type of guy. So, like I said, it's up for sale if somebody want it. If not, I'll just put it up until I decide what I really want to do with it. But you can see, it's a super clean car. It's all original. It comes with the 350 all original motor. It runs, it drives, it starts up. Is it perfect? It's not perfect. Need a little suspension work done to it. Another thing is them tires. Them boys is hideous. They gotta go. That's just my opinion. Somebody else might like them, but they not for me. They got the custom door handles. I wish they would have left the original door handles. But other than that, man, I'm telling you, the body is super solid. The car is super clean on the outside. Not just the outside, underneath also. The frame in good shape. Like, if you look underneath, you be like, man, it amazed me how solid this car is. And if I was to ever start with another project, it'll definitely be in this type of shape. I did a heavy project. I'm doing a heavy project with the 86 Monte Carlo. And the route I went, I wish I didn't. Because not only did I have to do suspension work, engine work, transmission, rear end, I also got to do body work on top of that, and that's like, man, that's another headache within itself. So, but if you start with a solid project like this, add more thousands to it, because let's be real, you're going to have to add a few more thousands to it. Everything got to be upgraded in the interior. You got to bring it up to par. If you want to pop out at these shows, you got to bring it up to par. The car got to look right. So to have a car in this state that you got to add a few more thousand to, do your suspension work, get your tires on there. It's not too much to do. You also got to go up under the engine bay, get that cleaned up, go through the 350 or whatever motor you got in there, get that running right. And it is what it is, but you want to start with a solid project, because I started with that Monte Carlo from the ground up. Man, I'm telling you, it's different. It's definitely different. It's different for your time, your money, your patience, everything. Your kids might have to miss Christmas, man. For real.